Hey there, travel buffs. I'm taking you on a virtual stroll through the charming streets of Marbella's old town, a gem tucked away on Spain's sun-kissed Costa del Sol. Ready to dive into a world of delicious tapas, quirky tuk-tuks, and serene sailboat cruises? Let's go. First up, imagine wandering through narrow cobblestone streets lined with historic buildings, each telling a story of centuries past. The heart of Marbella's old town is a colorful mix of old-world charm and lively modern culture. Are you feeling the vibes yet? Now, no visit to Marbella is complete without indulging in some local cuisine. I'm talking about tapas. Picture this: small plates packed with flavors, from juicy olives to spicy chorizo, all paired with a glass of local wine. Trust me, it's not just food, it's a culinary adventure. Every bite tells a story of Andalusian tradition and passion. All right, ready to shake things up a bit? Let's hop on a tuk-tuk. These quirky three-wheelers are a fun and breezy way to explore the town. Whiz around the narrow lanes, feel the wind in your hair, and wave to the friendly locals. It's an experience that combines fun, culture, and a little bit of thrill, all in one ride. Last but definitely not least, let's set sail on a Costa del Sol group sailboat cruise. Picture the golden sun setting over the Mediterranean, the salty breeze and the gentle waves. It's the perfect way to unwind after an exciting day. Whether you're sailing with new friends or just soaking in the peaceful vibes alone, it's an unforgettable experience. Feeling inspired to explore Marbella's charming corners yourself? I've put together a list of my favorite excursions, and it's just a click away in the description below. Check it out, and maybe, just maybe, you'll find yourself sipping wine in the old town or sailing the blue seas of the Costa del Sol. See you there. Please subscribe and share. Marbella is not just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you long after you've left. The memories you create here will be cherished forever. From the vibrant nightlife to the serene evening strolls, Marbella offers something for everyone. So, pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Don't forget to pick up some unique souvenirs from the local markets to remind you of your incredible journey through Marbella's old town. Until next time, happy travels and keep exploring. Check out my favorite excursions. Just click the link below in the description. Thanks for watching. In the comments, tell us about your trip. Please subscribe.